Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. Tim Thomas live from the kitchen. And I'm telling you what, friends, great things are happening. Could not be more excited about what we've got going on. And I'm going to show you folks, I went to the mailbox and my jaw dropped. We had 16 payments in one single day. It just came in 16 in various programs. Now, guys, before I get into the video, make sure we like this video. Like the video, help rank it high. I really would appreciate it. And could you hit the like button? Hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Folks, we're gonna tell you what we believe that you can make in some of these programs. But, you know, of course, income disclaimer, folks, nothing in life happens until you take action. People ask me all the time, Timothy, does that stuff really work? And how well does it work? I tell you what, work at home is incredible. We have some direct mail programs. We have some postcard programs. We have several online programs that work along with direct mail. And folks, I just joined a new opportunity last week and it just launched. People already joining it. I'm telling you what, if you're struggling, I'm gonna show you how to plug into a system. If you got some money and you wanna grow your money exponentially, better than Forex, better than Bitcoin, better than all these other systems that you put your money into, they don't give it back to you. Folks, I got something. Can you mail a postcard? Can you mail a flyer? Can you tell somebody? Can you send somebody to a website? Woo! Great things are happening. Hit the like button. I really appreciate it. I know Jose Green will appreciate this video. I know Reverend Wilson appreciate it. Big shout out to all my subscribers, folks. Great things are happening. I'm going to show you, folks, what just came in. My jaw dropped. 16 orders in one single day and more coming. This is what a typical day looks like. We usually average around 10 to maybe 13 orders on average days. Just a little bit better than average. But let me tell you what, folks, great things happen. I'm going to open up some of these on some other videos. But I just want to show you, I just came from the mailbox and I just was floored about what's happening. Welcome to all the new numbers. Income disclaimer, folks, in life, nothing happens until you take action, you follow direction, you do a lot of it. But is it possible? Folks, it is absolutely possible. The sky's the limit as to what you can do in these programs. I mean, upwards of a few thousand per week. It's possible. Folks, we have seen few thousands per day. It's possible in some of these programs. So hit up the like button. Look at this, folks. This is just absolutely, there's one, some of those payments there are in there. There's a payment right there came in. Look at that. Some of those payments came in for the 200 United Cash Express, the 1,000 week solution flyer, the $200 day flyer. Look at this, folks. Look at the dates on those things, folks. This just came in. Look at the dates. This just came in on today, and I could not be more excited. Of course, you know, it takes a couple of days or about a week for people to get mailed to us. And then we'll turn around and do the same thing on tomorrow. Look at what came in, folks. Made out to Timothy Thomas. Folks, can you mail a flyer? Can you mail a postcard? Can you remain consistent? Can you do it over and over and over and over again? Look at that, people. I'm telling you what, this is not to brag or boast, but it's to impress upon you what is possible in these programs. I'm telling you what, great things are happening, and we want to include you. We want you to win. Folks, find a program on the channel. If it's on the channel, it's working. Find a program, request a flyer, and get joined. And it's just that simple. If you can mail a flyer, postcard, your mailbox, you can potentially turn it into your own personal ATM machine. And I'm telling you, people will send you priority mail. I already got a payment, folks. There is a payment for this program right here. Pause the video. Go right over there right now. This is the new program that I just joined. www.quickpaydays.com. Folks, this is going to be a license to print money. That thing's going to be incredible. They close sales for you. All you do, you can promote it online. You can mail a postcard. Just share it with people. You never have to talk to somebody. They'll close all the sales for you on your behalf. Go there now, folks. But this is just not to impress you, but to impress upon you what's possible. Great things are happening. Smash out the like button. Get a hold of me. Get a hold of me if you have any questions, or just request a flyer and get started today. I'm telling you what, great things are happening, and it's only going to get better from here. People are looking for ways to work from home, to work for themselves. They want to beat the 9 to 5. I'm telling you what, folks, those of y'all that are out there clocking in and answering and being somebody else's employee, why not be an entrepreneur? Why not be an entrepreneur? Turn your mailbox into an ATM machine and be an entrepreneur. Work for yourself. Become a CEO of your life. Go where you want to go. Do what you want to do. Stay as long as you want to stay. Oh, I'm getting off the soapbox, folks. Y'all know where I'm getting at. I only want to do this to help folks. And you know what, folks, when you're doing these programs, it's not how much money we can make. It's how many people we can help. Zig Ziglar had it right. Smash out the like button, folks. Zig Ziglar said, if you can help enough people get what they want in life, you can have everything that you can get and want in life. Folks, we've got 16 payments in one single day, and this is what a typical day looks like. We're excited. Go there now. This is one of the new programs I just joined, and hit that button. You'll get an email from me. Check your inbox. Check your spam folder. If it goes to spam, mark it not spam, and get you started today. Let's win big. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.